When those cold winds blow to free our lonely souls, don't need to go down to the river of old. There ain't no preacher meant to save our souls. No, no, no. Hi everybody, welcome to the Broom Bezzums YouTube channel. You're all very welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, very important, and get all your friends to subscribe as well. The last tutorial video was Andrew doing fishing in troubled waters. I'm going to teach you, or attempt to teach you, Cold Winds Blow. I'll give you a bit of background to the song. It's essentially about questioning the doctrine of religion, but generally speaking also just to find your own way in life. You know, I have 3 children and my oldest son always gets the dedication for this one. He's a bit of an anarchist. And that's what the song's kind of about, this one. So let's get stuck into it. It's relatively easy. There's a riff that kind of follows the vocal melody line with the intro. We have a verse and a chorus, which is that same melody line. We have a fiddle solo, and we have an ending, an outro, where the chord structure changes a little bit. So, as Andrew mentioned in the last video, we both play, not exclusively, but certainly in Broom Bezzums, Dadgad, D-A-D-G-A-D. This wonderful open tuning. And if you're not familiar with Dadgad, you really should familiarize with yourself before you attempt anything like this, because the chord shapes on the fretboard won't make any sense to you whatsoever. So we're playing in Dadgad, that lovely open D tuning. I just love it, and that's what I wrote this song in. So starts off with the intro. I'll play it for you, and then we'll break it down. Harmonic on the 12th fret. And there you have it. And that's essentially the chorus as well. So we start on the open D. Just a 2-finger shape. It's not really an F major. It's like a modal. Again, this is the Dadgad tuning. An F and a G. D, F, G. 3rd and the 5th fret. And then I go to this riff, which is on the D string. So that's all based around those notes, basically. So this is playing on the string that's tuned to A. Again, it's all around A, G, F, D. So a little run down there from the C, C, B, back to that D, F, D, and then touching on the harmonic. So that's kind of the riff, and then that sings with the chorus as well. So I'll just play that through. Let those cold winds blow to free our lonely souls. Don't need to go down to the river. Ain't no preacher meant to save our souls. No, no, no. And there you have the essence of the intro, and there you have the chorus as well. So then we move to the verses. The verses are very simple. 2 chords, notoriously lazy. So we're on the 5th fret, that gives you the G, and we're on the A string below with the 3rd finger. Down to the F. So the only thing that might be a little bit tricky here is the rhythm. It's like a very syncopated rhythm. That's the drummer in me. So you've got those basically 2 chords, and then finishing up on the A. To free from these cold steel chains. And then then back to the riff. Okay, so basically that's the essence of the verses and the chorus. So, and then we go into the fiddle solo where Andrew does his Jimi Hendrix impression on the fiddle. That's really easy. The fiddle solo is not easy, but the guitar is. Open D to a modal C. So it's just 2 fingers, 3rd fret on both A strings. Run down to the B, F. All the way through to the end, and I think we have a chorus then. And then the only other part now is the outro, which we have. I'll just have to check that on my piano. That's a B flat, I do believe. Yep, that's a B flat. So if you're new to Dadgad or you're just trying stuff out, this is basically an E major shape in standard tuning, and it's just played on the 8th fret. That gives you a B flat. Then we go down to A minor. I'll just check that. Yep, it's an A minor. As I said earlier, familiarise yourself with Dadgad, otherwise these chords shapes won't mean anything to you. And down 2 frets again to a G minor. Down to the A. And then with this rhythm, very choppy. To be the drummer too. And a big crescendo on that A. Harmonics. And there you have it. That's the ins and outs of Cold Winds Blow. I hope you enjoyed it. Have some fun with the song and let us know how you get on. Keep tuned to the channel and please subscribe and get your friends to subscribe. Have a great time. See you soon. All the best. Bye bye.